What's going down, y'all? I got another real certified banger for y'all today. A random banger, actually. I'm about to head to Lake Perris. Decided to go. It's a random trip. Y'all stay tuned. Right now, I'm currently headed to Lake Perris, y'all. Lake Perris. I'm finna go out there for a few hours, get my fish on, see what I can catch. Random Thursday, it's about 1:30. About to go out here and see what I can catch within the next few hours. I got all types of stuff out here with me. I got so many different baits. I'm about to head to the bait store and go and grab me some mealworms so I can try to go for some bluegills too. Y'all stay tuned and wish me luck out here, man. If you haven't already, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Shout out to the 6 subscribers that I already have. Appreciate y'all for subscribing and tuning in to the videos. Y'all keep it locked in, man. Today, this is a random trip that I'm taking right now. Out of nowhere, I got home and I decided that I want to go out here and go fishing. I live pretty close to Lake Perris, so I'm gonna go out here and see what I can catch, see what I can learn, and see what I can teach y'all. Y'all stay tuned. So when y'all come out here, man, come to Lakeside Market and Liquor. They got all of the live bait. They got mealworms, night crawlers, all that.
Regular.
Got some mealworms and some night crawlers.
No, regular chilada.
All right, y'all, so I'll grab my bait. Finna head over here and check in right now. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I just pulled into Lake Perris. Usually when I come here, I fish at like lot 11 and 12. But today, I'm gonna try the dam over here. It's like the first lot as soon as you pull in. You'll see the signs. Just pull right in, park, and go. See y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, so I made it out. Got a little hike till I get to the spot where I want to fish at. It's a nice day out here. It's not too packed. Usually it's packed on the weekends, especially around this time, with all of the jet skis and the boats and the partying going on the beaches and stuff. But as of right now, it's pretty quiet out here, y'all. So about to see what we can get out here and catch. So I walked from over there, and now I'm right here, y'all. Very first ramp. I'll come down here and see what I can catch. It was a pretty good hike, but it wasn't as bad as those people that are down there, bro. But it's all good though. I would have did the hike. It ain't no big deal. Almost fell. All right, y'all. I'm about to set up, then we go get to it. All right, y'all, so to start it off, I got a Carolina rig set up already. I'm gonna go ahead and throw one of these big reds on there, and I'm gonna throw the whole thing on there. Usually when I come out here, I bring shrimp with me or some mackerel just to fish for some catfish if needed, but I don't have either of those. So I just went and got some night crawlers and some mealworms. I'm gonna set up the Carolina rig for now, and then once I'm done with the Carolina rig, I'm gonna just set up a double drop shot, and then I'm gonna toss that out there with the mealworms to see what I can catch. All right, y'all, so that first setup I had already got snagged. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to use a jig. I got these lunker hunts right here. I'm gonna see how they do out here. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna try this out, see how it does. Let's do it. I've never caught a largemouth bass. Hell, I've never caught a fish jigging at all. So I'm gonna see what I can do today. Now, am I supposed to pop these a little bit or something? Y'all let me know. Never fished with these before. Never caught a fish with a jig. It's my first time out here trying to get it going. So y'all let me know, man. All right, y'all, so y'all tell me how to do this, man. How do you come out here and jig for largemouth bass when you come out here and jig, man? Am I using the right jig? I'm gonna switch it up in a minute. Try something else and see if this other stuff works. All right, what do y'all use when y'all come out here, man? I need somebody to help me catch some bass. That's what I'm finna use right now. I'm gonna switch it up in a minute. try to switch spots for now. It feels good out here though, man, and I'm glad to be out here right now. Hey man, shout out to Fit Fishing and Catch a Vibe Fishing, or Catching a Vibe Fishing. I'm gonna tag them, but shout out to them, man. They got me back out here on the water. Just watching their videos, man, they motivated me to get back out here and get on this water, bro. So I appreciate the content that y'all post, man, and keep that shit coming, bro. I'm gonna switch spots. I'm gonna go to a spot where I used to go to every time I came out here to Lake Perris. I haven't been out here in about a year, man, so I'm out here trying to see what I can get on. All right, y'all, so I didn't really catch nothing over here. I didn't get a bite, nibble, nothing, but it's all good. I'm about to switch spots. I'm gonna go over here and see what I can catch. I'll tap in with y'all when I get there. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna only take one pole out there with me. This is the rig that I'm gonna use. Double drop shot, small hooks. Go ahead and use some mealworms, put them on there, and see what we can do. Let's go. All right, y'all, so this is how I'm coming. Got a small hook, like 3 or 4 mealworms on there, and a double drop shot. Let's see how we do. Hey, how many mealworms do y'all use? I like using a bunch. Got my line out there with the mealworms. See if we can get us a bite. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I only brought one pole out here with me because I only plan on fishing for about an hour or so. I only work like 5 minutes away from here, so I'm gonna keep coming out here. I'm at the famous Lock 12, actually Lock 11 and 12. I'm gonna keep an eye on my line right now because it is a hot spot over here sometimes, especially in the beginning of the summer. If you want to come out here and catch some bluegill, this is the spot. So I'm gonna sit here for about another hour and see if I can get on something. If not, it's all good. Still had a good day on the water. Let's go. Oh, man. All right, y'all. That is it for me. I had a good time, though. It's always good to get out here, get on the water, man, get your mind off of things. I came here straight after work. Had a long day at work, came out here on the water, had a pretty good time. Even though I didn't catch nothing, it was still good to get out here, man. I challenge you. Get out here and get on the water, man. Try to learn how to fish. Get out here and try to fish. It's peaceful, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Real certified. Out of here.